how you doing? So welcome back. This here are the Hiearcool. These are underwater iPhone protectors. Yes, they work. I used them before. I used them on my last cruise, my cruise last, and my last cruise. So they do work, right? So what happens though, you get your phone, right? First of all, you want to do, unsnap these side snaps, right? Boop, 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 right? This opens up a little bit for you, okay? Just a little bit. You put your phone in there, okay? Like that. And then you can snap it back together again. Boom. And there you go. And what happens, the phone, it works like a normal phone in the water, right? You got it all snapped together, right? So remember, snap there, snap there. That creates your seal. Turn it around there, see? Everything there is normal for you, right? All you gotta do is touch, let's say we wanna go to our Gmail, right? Touch your Gmail, boom, it works. Touch it again. Let's say we wanna go to our, how about our Facebook? So Facebook, and here we go, boom. You see, that's how it works. It's just that easy, guys. It's underwater. This seal is really great. It takes care of everything for you. And your phone, you can't go more than 32 feet underwater, which if you're snorkeling, you don't have to worry about that. At least I don't, right? But I like the Hiearcool because it's a really great product, very affordable. I use it myself, so I know it works. I have 3 of these because I have 2 different phones, but sometimes I want to change out my phone and give my wife one, right? So we have 3, of course, right? So it's a really great product, you know, it's really, really good. Great seal here. My phones have never been affected ever, not one time, so I want to tell you that. Now, again, here's the deal. If you say, hey, Mitch, send me the phone underwater gadget thingy. Yeah, gotta say that. Phone underwater gadget thingy. You gotta say that. I will send this to you for free, okay? Again, the bad news though, right? What's the bad news? I only have 1 to send you. No, I've got 2 to send you. I will send you 2, okay? I will send you both of these for free. They're brand new, just open today for you guys, okay? Just let me know. It's all yours, all right? Okay, take care. Put it in the comments. All right, bye-bye. Have a good day. If you want it for yourself, click the link below. It's all yours, okay? Bye-bye.